So, our dog hasn't been out to pee all day. We're not allowed to go outside. So, today, I have a bunch of string. We're going to open the gate at the bottom of the stairs to our complex and let her walk out as long as she needs to. But then I could pull her back like a fish.
She's so smart.
So we'll see what happens. Here we go.
Good idea. Huh? Ready?
Go pee-pee. Ooh, look at the sunshine.
Whoa.
Can't walk too far, kid. It's a lot of string. Just
How long?
take a pee. That's pretty long.
What's that?
Go pee-pee. We're not walking, kid. Just take a pee. Come on, Chubby.
I kind of envy her life now.
You're just gonna stand there, aren't you? I guess you really don't have to pee. Hop a squat. Do a number one. Well, if you're not gonna pee, then we're gonna go back inside.
She's so confused.
We're watching you watching us. It's getting kind of boring. Come on.
Look at her shadow, look like a pig.
Your mom says your shadow looks like a pig. Yeah, you're that fat. Alright, well. Some dog came out and did a big turd. Alright, I'm going to reel you back in like a fish. Here we go. Look, I caught a dog.
Fishing dog.
Just lay down and pee, kid. Come on. I bet the guards are laughing their asses off right now, looking at the camera. Come on, Pudding. Yeah, we can't come out there, kid. Alright. I'm jealous now. You're getting sunshine flavor and I'm not. She won't come back in. Alright. See ya. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Oh, we just tied the string on the door. Let her play by herself.
You could do that. I don't think she's smart enough to do that, but we'll get her back in here. Fuck it.